all your problems.
How?
I was almost a national saran wrap ripper. National. But,
An accident.
I was so close to being the national winner. I was ripping. I had it by a landslide. It was great. Cut myself in the middle. And you know, they say, those who can't do coach. And I'm gonna be your coach.
Would you really?
I will.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, let's get started.
Okay.
Okay.
Well,
So, so what seems to be your problem?
I can't rip it in one piece.
Oh, okay. This is
That
what you
was
need
nice.
to do. Yeah, professional. Okay, this is what you need to do.
Nice cut and everything.
You grab it firm.
Look at that is
Firm hold.
Firm hold. Okay,
Firm
I got
hold.
that. Yeah, firm.
Deep breath, don't get angry. Sometimes it doesn't work, and then you just
Okay. You suck at it.